because it is very important. I've been talking to young people, and one of the things that I understand and I know, when you grow up, sometimes you close. You become like a closed door. And to the parents, we don't know how to open, and we don't have the key, and we do not have the password sometimes to get to you. Because you grow, and the only thing you do to us is, hi, mommy, and bye, mommy. We look at you, and we feel we need to do something. And sometimes we are so afraid we do the wrong things. I would ask of you that sometimes you do not judge us, because sometimes you judge us wrongly, as we also have been culprit of judging our children in the wrong way. And we have misjudged you many times. The times changes. The way I grew up is not the way you are growing up. The challenges you are facing are not the same challenges that I faced. But I believe, like the Bible has said, whatever has happened before will happen again. I believe even with my experience as a mother, I still can talk to you. I can still have the ears to hear you. And so if you can, please always talk to us. Talk to your parents. No matter how bad we seem to be, we love you and we want you to live. And we want to cultivate a relationship that is able to make us become fruitful, both us and yourselves. And when we look at you, you get frustrated, you go out there and you are trying to have a good time. And when you are trying to have a good time, you also get peers who are not necessarily very upright in the way they want to relate with you. And then you get in trouble. And when you get in trouble, you come to us, we are also in trouble. As you are committing suicide, many parents are also in distress, and they are also committing suicide. For how long are we going to stay in this stalemate where you are you, I am here, I am me, and we are not discussing, and both of us are dying? We must have a conversation. As a mother, I am speaking to my sons and daughters. We must have a conversation. How do we live in this world? How do we change this world? How do I make your world better? And how do you make mine better so that we can live peaceably? I want to repeat what I told some people some time. Institution, and be able to come up with some of those things. Are you ready? Are you? For those who want, we are not going to force anybody, but I know it is possible to earn even from agriculture. In fact, it is the best. When I went abroad, the farmers were the most rich and most respected people. It is only in Kenya where farmers are the lowest in the cadre and they walk. There, the people with all the best cars are farmers. And so I am looking forward to that collaboration and partnership with this university so that we can see the best way we can go. And I'll be coming many times. Do you want me to come? Thank you very much. And may God bless you. I may not have much, but I'll buy you like 3 bulls. Those ones, they should be able to feed you. Tomorrow, myself is to buy, now to slaughter and to eat is you. Are you unable to eat? I'm very sure that will be done. I want to thank you very much for your attention.
That can keep us going. Hello? But today, we agree that with God, nothing is impossible. You are not true? Okay. Our governor we have no words because joy is overflowing in our hearts. And we are so happy that despite the other people outside there keep criticizing us that we did nothing, from today as we go back home, whether walking, crawling, flying, we shall say our day has come. We shall say our day has come. And we have a new anthem. Igeri ganero. And to conclude, now on this side, teachers, fellow teachers, let us work as a family. Sometimes at our workplaces, we are not friends. I will say it here. When you fail to love me, other colleagues will not love me. We are our own enemies. And because now we have been upgraded, let us be sisters and brothers. And God will bless us at those working points. Amen? Amen. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, our excellent Governor, and all the protocol observed. I am Susan Kinyua. I'm from Nairutia, and I am glad this morning because of the Lord. This far has taken the heart of God, and also tuna neno la kushukuru Governor sababu hii safari tumeenda na tumeenda sababu wale ambao walianza kusoma disesa miaka ile ilikuwa ya kitabu. Tulisoma tukaambiwa ati tutaajiriwa na we were told that we will be given a scholarship kwenda kusoma diploma. Haikupatikana. Tukaambiwa tunaajiriwa. Kibaki akakuja, wale walikuwa wanaweka private ECDs ikaisha sababu sasa primary imekuwa free. Sasa biashara ikaporomoka. Sasa kuanzia hapo ukaja gavana mwingine alikuwa hajui maneno ya ECD. Alisema yeye hajasoma ECD, lakini wetu yeye alikuwa ametuanzia Nyeri. Sasa tuko mahali. We are so happy because of the journey that you have taken. We have gone with you, and we are so happy because you always stand with us. You always have a space for ECD teacher in your heart. Sasa, I'm feeling short of words, but I can say it. From our side, we see the muhujia. Onakone liura hujia. You have really appreciated that. Na ikiwe na idea tuerote, by the way nimesoma leo, working is not a punishment from God. Na leo nimegwajia kuhujia, it is a responsibility. Kwa hivyo wera nitukuruta na Madam CC, Madam Lydia, you know. Yeah, kurutaga wera not equivalent to the pay you get. Problem netwera go hede ciothe, we are working for the Lord. Noguo tuguthie nambe na tuongerere. In fact, andu agwitũ nĩ ndĩramerĩte. Mũtumia aliria mũthamaki angĩkorwo warora kũrĩ niĩ ndirĩ ũteithio ndingĩkũ. Ona niĩ ngano ndirĩ. Unless we look for help from the Lord. Ni wega mwathani nĩ tondũ nĩ onete gavana witũ na agacokia mahoya maingĩ. We have really to play. Handũ ha gũthiĩ gwaka mĩcemanio njarĩ. Instead of going for hiyo mĩcemanio nje, I would request Madam CC Happy, hiyo karatasi ilikuwa inatusomea. There are questions that we never get. Who is in job group F? Ni yule good. Hiyo ingine ni Thank you so much because of it. You have said that. Now I can move from my place to Madira. Yeah? We need to adventure. At the moment you are sending us, unaweza tumia ile kitu. Good. Thank you so much. I'm humbled. Okay, our governor, the protocol officer, habari zenu. Walimu wenzangu mko wazima. Mimi nimekuja tu hapa kurudisha tu shukrani kwa vile our governor amefanya. Nimefurahi sana sababu tumekuwa tukiambiwa safari ni ndefu, wengine tunaona kama tumechoka, hatutafika mwisho, hatutafika pale mbele, lakini Mungu wetu anatujua. Kupitia our governor, our deputy governor, the officers, na hiyo ofisi yote our governor. Mimi yangu ni kupatiana tu shukrani na kusema asante kwa Mungu kwa vile siku ya leo hatutasahau. Ama tutasahau? Hatuwezi tukasahau. Hata vile kumenyesha, tuko na matope. Kama mimi nimetoka huko kwa wa deputy, nimeimba yangu na hapo. Nimetoka huko na tumekuja mpaka hapa kusema tu asante, mbarikiwe na tutaendelea kukuza hao watoto. Tunawapatianga ile masomo iko imetayarishwa kabisa na kila kitu tutaendelea kutengeneza na tumekuwa tukitengeneza. Kwa hivyo shukran. Mbarikiwe sana.